Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a floating action button with interactive components using Figma. Let's get down to it. So to do this, you need to first create your icons. To create the icons, you need to navigate to the ellipse shape here. So you click on it. So I'm just going to drag this out. Mind you, I'm pressing shift on my laptop, because if you don't press shift as you're dropping it in, it's just going to wobble around like this, as you can see. So let's take that again. So just going to press shift to bring it out. So I want this to be 56. So I'm going to resize it there. Then I'm going to duplicate this in three other places. To duplicate, you just need to press down Control D. So you get your first duplicate here. So the first one is the one you do manually. So far as you've not done any other thing on this circle, you just need to press Ctrl D twice again, and it's going to bring it out with the equal spacing here, as you can see. So now I'm going to add my icons, my button icons here now. So I'm going to open Iconify. One reason why I like Iconify is the vast number of icons that they have, and it's free anyways. So I'm just going to add the add button here. So let me see the one I can use. I don't like you. Okay, I'm just going to use this. So I'm going to import that. I'm going to import the two other buttons as well, which is um let me see, video call. So for video call, I think yes, I like this. So I'm going to import that as well. I'm going to import the message button. So let me see. I like this. I'm going to use this as well. Then I'm going to import the call button. I'm going to import the call button as well. So now that I'm done importing all the icons, I can close Iconify. So I'm just going to take this away from here. Sorry, just just going to take this away from here so I don't get things mixed up. So yes. So for the first shape, for the first icon color, I'm going to make that. Let me see, which cool color do I have here? Okay, I'm just going to use green. Sort of like green when designing. So I'm going to use green. Going to change the icon color to 0. Let me see the size of this 24. 24 is okay. I like to design my icons with an height and width of between 20 to 24. So 24 is okay. So I'm just going to bring this back. So we have that. I'm going to do that for the remaining three icons. So I'm just going to change the color to green. Yes, thank you. Shouldn't have done that. I should have just selected this and um, select this as well. Then I can change the color at once. Thank you. So I'm going to do that for the three circles as well. I'm just going to make this color white. Thank you very much. So I'm going to reduce this icon size to 24 as well to create a uniform icon size. So this is 24. Very good. So this is 24 as well. So we have the add icon, which would serve as the menu anyways. Oh wow, this is not the call icon, so sorry. I'm just going to import the call icon now, the call icon button now. So I'm just going to use this, bring it in. Okay, so as you can see, the size and the width and height are also 24. So I'm just going to change the color to my default icon color. So I want the call button first. going to bring this in. So when you do this and it's going behind the ellipse shape like that, you can um, you can just right click and click on bring to the front. As you can see, this shape on your, I've forgotten what it's called. So you just bring to the front, and if you don't want to do that, you just click on the shape and it's going to bring it to the front. Then you can place that how it's supposed to be. So thank you. So I'm just going to, yes, well placed. Yeah. So from here now, I'm going to group all these individually um, so that I can continue with the design. So I'm just going to Control G, um, Control G, oh sorry, Control G, yes. So I'm going to take this three now. Sorry, I'm going to take this now and bring it here. So take this, bring this here. I'm going to make sure there's uniformity in the spacing. So as you can see, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to frame this. So when I'm done framing this, what I can do now is duplicate this. Just going to bring this to the side a little bit. So I'm going to click on these three. Then I'm going to align vertically. So as you can see, it's hid the three buttons into one. So I'm going to drag this down here, send it backwards. So so the next thing I'm going to do now is change this button to close. So to do that, I'm going to zoom this in. So there are a couple of ways to go about this. You can do this manually by let's click on the plus icon here. So you can do this manually by when you get this this shape, you can do this manually, and but that's kind of stressful. So what I'll just do is zoom out, come to the come to the rotation part here, then click on 45 degrees. As you can see, that is way easier and cooler and faster too. So I'm just going to group both into a component set. So once I'm done grouping them into a component set, I'm going to click on prototype to join to create my prototype animation. So to the next thing you want to do now is you want to click on this button here. So you drag it to this prototype here. So make sure it's on tab, change to this second one here. Um, Click on smart animate, then make sure it's ease in and out. Depends on the animation you want. I love ease in and out. So and the speed, I'm going to go with 300 microseconds. So then we'll return the favor with the other button here, with the close button. So bring this back here, same thing. So let's test out what we created. So I'm going to click on the frame here and I'm going to choose iPhone 13 Pro. I love using iPhone 13 Pro. I'm guessing it's because when I was learning, that is what I always use. So I'm sort of like stuck with it. So you're going to click on assets here, then drag out your component, your instance. Just drag it out here. Place it somewhere here, nice and cool. So I'm going to click on the frame and I'm going to click on present here so we can see what the prototype looks like. So that is loading up now. There's something I didn't do that I'm going to show you. after this. So let's see what the animation looks like. Uh, cool, but there was a mistake. So let's just okay, this is clicked. Yeah, let's change this fill color to let's say this. Let's go back. Yes, please. Yes, please. So, what I said I didn't do was normally to make your work easier, what you want to do is you want to make sure you name all these buttons here. As you can see, I'm supposed to have named this message, supposed to have named this video call, um, name this call, and then name this cancel. Then let's go here. Name this open. So instead of cancel, we can actually call this close. So basically, so that's what you want to do to make in case you're creating like a proper mobile app or something so that you don't get confused later along the line. So make sure you always name your components right. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you get to like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestion you can always let me know. If there are things you want to learn that you'd like me to make a video of, you can let me know as well. And if you feel I could have done something better, please do let me know. I'm always open to learning new things and new ways to go about UX design. Thank you.